From the freeway, these skyscrapers on the east side of Houston are clearly visible. They are not buildings, but chemical plants that reflect one of the most significant industries in the city.
Houston, here in Texas, is in many ways, the center of the petrochemical industry universe in the United States.
Dave Wolf of the U.S. Department of Homeland Security says Houston's economic engine is also a security risk.
We see terrorists globally continuing to seek out and actually use chemicals of the sort. They are using these in improvised explosive devices, among other things.
Wolf says the attack at Brussels Airport and metro station last year is an example of terrorists acquiring chemicals to harm people.
Our challenge is always be one step ahead, understanding what technology is coming, what's here, and then what do we do to mitigate any of those threats or risk.
Security experts say meetings such as this of key players in the chemical industry are crucial to share best practices and build a global culture of chemical security.
No state can afford to ignore chemical security. States that have done so often find that they regret that decision later.
Chemical production had traditionally been confined to developed countries such as the U.S. and in Europe. China, India, and others are now important producers.
Enormous production is going to happen in Iran.
Christoph Patori with the International Center for Chemical Safety and Security warns developing countries need to tighten security standards.
If you want to go global, you have to apply the best standards, and the best standards were developed in the developed countries, and especially in the United States.
Having a good security plan is key, experts say, because chemical facilities hold symbolic value and economic significance, becoming real targets for terrorists. Elizabeth Lee, VOA News, Houston.